Hi, my name is Choma Michael of Lomash Confectionery. Um, okay, so I got this birthday order to make a birthday cake for my client's son. He's, I think he clocked 5, yeah, 5. So it's just a simple buttercream cake, 2 layers. So I thought to make vanilla and strawberry cake. You can see them fluffy, yummy, looking all pink. Okay, so I started by layering them and frosting. I used a simple American buttercream, added flavor and milk, then sky blue color. Is that sky blue color or a little shade of? I don't know, but I know it's blue though. Yeah, well, minimal blue. So I started by crumb coating the whole body to seal in the crumbs and all those whatever that doesn't need to fall off. Okay, using my palette knife first, so I got sealed in, and then applying the second layer. I'm not, there's some buttercream you see, it's really heavy, like small cake, every other thing is buttercream. I don't like that, so I also don't like giving that to my clients. So you see the one, I'm just minimal buttercream, so that when they get their cake they know that it's cake they are getting, not buttercream and small cake. The size of this cake is 8 inches. 8 inches. I don't know if it looks smaller in the video. Video have a way of making cakes look smaller. Yeah. So after applying, okay, I'm still applying the buttercream here. Need to get it every place to avoid, you know, the body being seen or crumbs anywhere. Alright, doing my thing, doing my thing, doing my thing. Okay. I know a lot of people have issues getting their buttercream. I think having their buttercream not falling off. So if you have a very nice recipe, you shouldn't have this issue. Also, before I forget, I have a recipe on buttercream, and I also have a buttercream class. So you can simply say hi to purchase my buttercream class. Class is on Telegram. Okay, so I had to use my scraper here to smoothen to give it that effect that I want. Comb out. I think I got this comb for how much? I think about 2,000 plus or so. And why I love this stainless one is that it rarely bends and the edges are still the same, unlike the plastic ones that at some point the mouth starts changing. Do you understand? So I prefer this, and they have it in so many designs. I love this particular one. Okay, so I'm just trying to fill up the areas that the buttercream didn't get to, and then go back and forth, back and forth. If you're a beginner, you should watch this video very well without skipping. It will really guide you. It will guide you. I'm just taking out the excesses on top, using my scraper to clean off. So I think that's all to do here. And if you finish scraping and you feel that like the body is not okay, you can go back to it again. So here I am adding the details. The cake she wanted was plain, but I felt for a 5-year-old, it's not nice giving them a plain cake, plain buttercream. It just have a chocolate drip on the body and the piping. I mean, which looks adult each. I don't know if there's a word like that. So I thought about, playing around with it, making it look um boy, yeah. I don't know if there's a word like that. Boyish, boyish. So I added all those details. Spider-Man, is this Spider-Man? Wakanda, um Superman, uh America, Captain America, Batman. Yeah, got them. So if you're a baker and you don't know cartoon characters, you're in pepper soup. Oh. Okay, so I added all these details. Look at it. I mean, no 5-year-old boy wouldn't love this, right? So I started piping the top because we can't leave it plain, like to be so boring. So I did the two-tone thing. I put the plain buttercream color by the side and added the blue by the other side. So that's how I achieved this two-tone buttercream color. So once I am done piping, oh, look at the piping. Don't you see how beautiful it is? Instead of using just one. So I decided to play around with the drip because I don't want it to just not have that drip with the original design, right? So I started adding the drip small. This chocolate drip, it usually flow. You will put small, maybe like for it to stop halfway. Before you know, it has reached down to the board. You see how it's running. Anyways, look at that. I was considering adding more, not adding. So I said, let's add more. Okay, so yeah, that's basically the cake. And see the way it's running. I don't like that. I just want it halfway. Just stop halfway. Stop running down. And I put the name Happy Birthday Ezewata at 5. And done. Thank you for joining. Please remember to subscribe to my channel.